In my last video, we had so much fun creating those silly AI images using Flow. But today, we're doing something even more meaningful. We're going to take real memories, old photos, family, and even my sweet dog Cooper, and turn them into a beautiful, living moment at the park. It's all done free, and it's easier than you think. Hello, friends. Welcome to Nana's Easy AI. We're embracing the future, one simple click at a time. No stress, no complicated jargon. Start having a little bit of fun with it. If I can do it, you can too. Let's get started. Let me show you how I did it using Flow. If you haven't watched my last video, Impossible Photo Challenge, watch that to practice first. Go to Browser and type Flow AI. Click plus sign to upload your photos, one at a time. An old photo that I used in the restoration video. A photo of Nana. An old photo of Grandma that I restored in my previous video. And of course, Cooper. You'll see a lot more of him in my upcoming storybook video. Now here's the magic idea. What if we could bring all of these moments together into one group photo at the park? I type, taking a group photo at the park. Even though these pictures were taken years apart, AI lets us reimagine them as one memory. I uploaded each image, Grandma, the second old photo, myself, and Cooper. Make sure it's selected, Image, Size. I want 16 by 9. One image is all I want. Tap Generate button. You can keep it simple. Flow is really smart. And here it is. Wow, can you believe it? Just by a few clicks. Magic. A moment that never actually happened, but somehow feels completely real. Grandma is there, her friend Nana, and Cooper made it into the family photo too. Click Photo. You can edit by typing the changes at the box below the image and Generate button. I'm happy with mine, and I download 2K into my file. Now I can share with friends and family. This is what I love about AI. It's not just about silly images or cool tricks, it's about connection. We can bring memories together, fill in the gaps, and create something meaningful for our families. Flow image generation is free right now, so create some silly images like I did on last video, or upload some photos you have and have some fun. And this is just the beginning. In my next video, we're going to take my dog Cooper and turn him into the star of a magical storybook adventure. You won't want to miss that. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who would love to see their memories come to life. This is Nana, and thank you for watching, and God bless.
Learning AI can be easy and fun.